Hello, how are you? Fantastic. I'm here to test my new skis. These ones. And these skis are sponsored by Santa Claus. Yes, I was a good boy last year. It's kinda snowy weather. That's alright. Not that cold, only -10 Celsius or something. These skis are something between snowshoes and forest skis. Much faster than snowshoes and easier to handle in the forest because these are only like 130 centimeters long. So welcome to the trip with me. Let's go and test these skis and then we are going to make some lunch. I came across that swamp and I had no difficulties in deep snow. These things works pretty well. And now I'm in the forest. So let's test these things in here. Feels good to be back in the nature. I've been more or less sick for 3 weeks, so feels really good. Well, that was a fail. Alright, lunchtime. Here are the skis a little bit closer. You can use boots or whatever you want, shoes in here. Quick attachments, so you can take your shoes quickly off. And underneath is this kind of thing. You see it like a hairy thing. It gives you grip in hard snow or in a forest. For lunch I have a Habanero sausage. I hope this is hot. Alright, let's test Habanero sausage. I don't taste any habanero. It's not hot at all. Disappointed! When the package says habanero, you think it's gonna be right hot, but not hot at all. Okay, time to head home. Thank you for your precious time, and if this is the only video you watch from me, Hope you have a good life, and to all the subscribers, I see you in the next video. Bye.